In this video, I want to talk about the importance of data in your trading strategy. First and foremost, for me, what I understand for data is like indicators in your chart that you use. This is data that is giving you insights on how to act in your trading strategy. How many things you use for your trading strategy. So this is data, for example, price action, support and resistance, or indicators that you can put in your trading view chart. Or in other cases, you can use other types of data like open interest or liquidations, that is derivatives data. Or for example, you can use, like I put right now in my website, news, you can use economic calendars, you can use correlation with forex markets, such as Euro USD, you can use on-chain data for your analysis, your stablecoin data, the Bitcoin ETFs data, the futures data, the spot data. So as you can see, that for your trading strategy to be built, there is outside a lot of data there. But what you need to understand here is that data is a blessing, but it's also a curse. So in my opinion, in my understanding, for my experience of almost 8 years trading right now, 6 years trading, sorry, you need to select very well the data that you use in your trading strategy, because the data is the base of every trading strategy in which you are going to make decisions. So the data is the base, and you are going to make decisions based on this data. So if you have a lot of data, you will get confused and you will not act. Your trading strategy will not be actionable. So you need to restrain or to select, to be very selective with the data that you use. And I encourage you to use as less data as you can. So you need to use as the least indicators you can, very few indicators, very few techniques in your trading system, your trading strategy, and not to get overwhelmed by all the data that is out there. Because if you are monitoring the trading view chart right here, and you are seeing this data, for example, the volume, the RSI, you are seeing Fibonacci retracement here, you are seeing EMAs. So here you have almost 10 things that you are looking at, 10 pieces of data that you are creating in your mind, a puzzle to take decisions based on this data that you are gathering from just TradingView. But if you switch to, for example, CoinAnalyze, and you are looking at the VPVR, at the volume profile, you are looking at the open interest of stablecoins, you are looking at the aggregated liquidations, okay? Then you go to my website and then you look at the stablecoins data, okay? For example, to see the issuance or the volumes of stablecoins. So you are here and you begin to see all these charts. So you will get overwhelmed by all this data, okay? And your brain will get confused. And this is negative for your trading system. This is negative for your trading strategy. So you need to condensate, to oversimplify this data, focus on little things, okay? Just a handful of things, and action on these things. Because, as I said before, data can be a blessing or a curse. Data is needed, is necessary for making a trading system and a trading strategy and to take action based on this trading strategy. But you need to reduce the amount of data. Either way, this amount of data can be turned into noise and can confuse you. Okay, so my advice is to clean your charts, use the most useful and more secure and more, let's say, less fake or with less fake signals indicators that you can use in your charts, and reduce the amount of stimulus that you get from the outside. Reduce the amount of news that you see. Reduce the amount of social media or Twitter that you see. Reduce the amount of YouTube content creators that make price predictions or price analysis that you see. Reduce the amount of platforms that you look, because here for example, I'm using CoinAnalyze right here, but you can use heat maps like Bookmap or Trading Light or CoinGlass, okay, or Glassnode. You can see a lot of platforms that gives you a lot of insights, a lot of data, and this data most of the times is contrary between themselves. So maybe TradingView is telling you in the volume to buy, okay, because this is, for example, is a bullish selling signal, okay? Here for me is a buy because we are a support, okay? But maybe the open interest is telling you the opposite thing, or maybe the stablecoins are telling you the opposite thing, okay? So maybe most of the times the data is contrary, so you need to focus on a handful of things that you know that work based on a previous backtest, okay? And make your trading strategy actionable based on this handful of things, of this handful of indicators. You need to rely on them to make your trading decisions. Okay, so that is for the video. Before ending the video, I want to make a quick announcement that my website, trading-soldier.com, is being updated. Okay, I introduced a lot of new functionalities here, like the economic calendar. For example, you can see the economic calendar when you can see the market news here. It's very slow right now because I need to speed up the website a little bit. I'm working on it. But you can see a lot of things. I introduced the market news, the market screener, the forex matrix, the crypto data, okay, that you can see the spot data. You can see everything here. Also, you have live charts in the website, okay? As you see right now, the website has broke down the HTML, okay? But you have a lot of things here. So I updated in my website, so if you want to visit. That's it for today's video, and we see you on the next one.